Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make fillable digital planners in Canva. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to canva.com, and now from here you could just simply use the search bar over here and search for digital planners. Now enter, and after that guys, you should be able to see here multiple templates. So just simply scroll through them and just simply select what you prefer. And now once you have find your digital planner that you would like to edit, just simply click on it. And after that, you should be able to see here the preview. And now you could just simply click on customize this template. Now here guys, you could just simply go ahead and change the text based on your preferences. You could change some elements as you can see. And if we scroll down, we should be able to see here the other pages as well. And you can just simply search it based on your preferences. And if you want to add a text, of course, just simply click on it and copy this one by tapping on your keyboard, Control C and Control V, and just simply provide some information based on the things that you would like to add on. As you can see, you should be able to have this customized, and pretty much guys, the template help us have a pre-made digital planner, and we could just simply add it and customize it based on the things that we would like to add. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.